Welcome to your weather forecast on the first day of a new month. And although we've had dry weather for much of the week, we're expecting some rain along the eastern Cape Coast on Friday, with a chance of rainfall reaching KwaZulu-Natal by Friday night. It'll be a partly cloudy and dry day over the western part of South Africa, with a sunny forecast for the rest of the country and a warm end to the work week for KwaZulu-Natal and the Lowveld. Here's our rainfall probability map with a dry forecast over the interior, but with a slight chance of rainfall along the south coast and then isolated rainfall along the eastern Cape Coast, with that chance of rain eventually reaching the south coast of KwaZulu-Natal on Friday night. You'll see warm maximum temperatures over the far eastern part of the country, with a high of 27 for Bombela and Richards Bay, in the mid-20s for Pietermaritzburg and Durban, but with a mild day for Gauteng at 20 and 23 degrees, in the upper teens for the Eastern Cape, with a cool day forecast there, 24 for Dar, Kimberley, Mahikeng and Polokwane, Uppington and Vredendal just shy of 30, with Cape Town expecting a high of 21. Good beach conditions are expected along the west coast with light and variable winds, with a light southwesterly wind for Alexander Bay and Namaqualand in the morning, more of a northwester in the afternoon, with a northerly wind for Lambert's Bay and Langebaan, and along the west coast we can expect a 2.5 metre swell, with waves breaking between 3 and 4 feet. Good beach conditions for Cape Town and Hermanus, but with a fresh easterly wind resulting in moderate beach conditions for Cape Agulhas. A light northwester is expected for Cape Town and Hermanus, with a 3 metre swell and wave heights between 4 and 5 feet. A moderate easterly wind is expected along the coast between Jeffreys Bay and Mossel Bay, with fresh winds in the forecast for Port Elizabeth in the afternoon. And here we're expecting a 2.5 metre swell, with wave heights between 3 and 4 feet. Along the east coast, we can expect good beach conditions for KwaZulu-Natal, with a moderate southeasterly wind for Richards Bay and a southwester in the morning for Durban, but an easterly wind in the afternoon, with a fresh easterly wind for East London and the possibility of rainfall. And along the east coast, we're expecting a 1 metre swell with wave heights between 1 and 2 feet. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Friday.
You deserve to know more.
eNCA.com